Hi everyone, my name is Apple and I'm from Project GuardianWings. Today I'll be taking you guys through a walkthrough of the app uh, and showing you all the functionalities and features that we have. Right, so the initial motivation for us to creating this app was that children nowadays are really dependent on mobile devices, and because of this they're constantly using them throughout the day. And we have observed that a lot of children tend to neglect other responsibilities like schoolwork or chores at home because they're so used to using their phone and just scrolling or playing games. And so we created this app so that parents are able to assign duties to their children in the form of positive reinforcement to encourage them to do their task. Right? So this app uses a dual user interface, a parent interface, and a child interface. So this is the landing page of the app. You can access the app using the link for the QR code at the end of the README document. You can just scan the QR code using your phone's camera or use the Expo app and use the QR code scanner in the app. Right, so this is the landing page of the app. Right, so the three buttons here, the parent sign in, child sign in, and a create account button. I'm going to first create two accounts, one for the parent, one for the child. Right, so I'm just going to add in some dummy data. Right, and you have to select the role here. So here I'm creating the parent account, so I'm just going to select the parent, create account. Alright, now I will create another account for the child. I'm going to create that. Okay. Now I'm going to sign in into the parent's account, right, and use the same process. Yes. So this is the landing page or the parent dashboard. Here we can see that there are two parts to the home page. There's a children's section and a summary section. This will make a bit more sense once I add a child. Right. So once we go into our menu here, I can go into settings. I can add a child. I'm going to add a child. So I'm just going to add the child I just made. So see that's one, and you have to add in the child credentials. Add child. Successful. Message. Right. So once I go into the home page, you see that the children, under the children, there's a button which says CTF1, and under the summary, you can see the the summary of the tasks, so completed and outstanding tasks, how many of each this child had. Right. So I'm going to go into CTF1. So I clicked on the button, and this takes us to a page where we can assign a task to CTF1. Right. So I'm going to put a task description on name. Let's name it. So I'm going to say clean your room. Right? And the reward, I'll say 2 hours. Yeah? And I'm going to choose a deadline. I want it by tomorrow. Right? I'm going to add task. Now you can see on the task we have clean your room, deadline, we have reward. Okay? And the status is currently at pending because the child hasn't acted on the task. Right. So now I'm just going to log out and sign into the child test. Sign in. And you see this is the landing page for the child's dashboard. There is a pie chart sort of graph thing which allows the child to see the number of completed tasks they have and the number of pending tasks. You can also see the total time earned for the child, right? And we also have a button which says go to browser. And this is a safe browser we created for the child to, uh, for example, they want to look at educational resources, right? And then we can use this browser. Here, we can look at all the, so for example, I go to Google, right? When I add tab, I can go to Google, right? And now the search history shows Google. Now I'm going to go to the to-do list area. So here, um, I can see that I have a task, right? The child has a task, and I can upload an image. And I'm just going to upload a random image, and I can crop it as I need to. Yeah, and I can upload multiple images. Right? So crop it and update. Yeah, so I can press on it to look at it. Right. Next, I'm going to log out. Right. So actually, another thing, when you go into the settings option, here the parent should be indicated. Right. This would mean that the child's account is currently linked to the parent. Now I'm going to log out, and this is a security feature we added. For a child to log out, they need to enter the parent's password. This because we don't want a child to just dilly dally and log out of the app because they don't want to use it. Right? And I'm going to sign back into the parent's account. Right. So as you can see, the home page updated with outstanding task being one. Right. So now I'm going to go into the children, into the child, and I'm going to look at this. Right. And I see this. Right. And I say, okay, this is fine. Right. And these are dummy pictures, but for example, the pictures properly depict that the child completed his task. We can just say I accept. And now the status has been changed to completed. Right. So completed one, outstanding zero. Now I'm just going to log out and I'm going to sign into the child phone. Right. Now even the home page here has been updated. It says that the child has one completed task and zero pending tasks, and the total time earned is 2 hours based on the reward that was given to the child. Let's go to the to-do list. Here, the task has been changed. The status of the task has been changed to completed.